In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a photo on Reddit. So you could do this in several ways. So first, in your homepage, just click on the Create Post field, and then it's going to take you to the Create Post page. And from here, you could click on Images and Video, click on Upload, and then click on the image that you want to upload. And once it's uploaded, you could choose a community that you want to post it. So if I choose this community, give it a title, and then when everything's ready, you just click on post. Just be mindful that some communities do not allow for posting of images. For example, if I go to this community, it says that this subreddit doesn't allow images, so it would prompt me to change and remove the image. Every subreddit has its own rules, so you just have to check it out. And that is how you post an image on Reddit. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.